Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are here with another video on your demand. So as you have asked us to start reviewing movies as well as TV series, so we are here with the 3 new series that I watched during this lockdown and what I feel about those series. So these series are available on your web portals. But before starting the video, I would like to ask you a small favor. In case you are new to the channel, do not forget to click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so that you are notified with every new video that we are uploading, every new series that we are seeing and every new book that we are reading. So moving on to the series, the first series that I would like to take up is JL50. So this was a new series which was launched on Amazon Prime, and what it focused on was the time travel. So how I rate JL50 was I actually started watching this series because of the fascination I have for the subject, that is the time travel. But I thought that there might be some mystery, that they are staging it as time travel, but it is not actually the time travel. But what devastated my experience was that it was actually based on the time travel. So it takes up some concepts from Inception, but it does not put it out quite efficiently, and it kind of keeps a lot of loopholes. So I want to rate it as a good series to watch for, and this is a series made up of 4 episodes, so you can go with that series too. But still I would rate it like 2 out of 5 stars, and it is not that capturing, and there are a lot of loopholes and the things which will leave you sort of taken aback that how this particular scenario was built up and how the rules are working in this particular series. So for the JL50 that I was quite disappointed. Then after that I moved on to the second series, that was Arya, which gave me a sort of relaxation. So Arya is the series which was quite old, I guess, but this was a series which was updated on the Amazon Prime, and it stars Sushmita Sen. So we are quite aware of her, and telling about her portrait, she portrayed it very well. She is a lady with a strong character, a strong mother and a strong wife, and she portrayed it so beautifully, and it was the charm of Sushmita Sen which is carrying on this particular series to a level of 3.5 star out of 5. How we will go on with it is, it was a good plot, it captures your attention of course, and then it reveals the things slowly and steadily, and this is really a good suspense if you can go on with it. So overall this can be a okay series which you can watch, and yes, you can go for this particular series too. Then moving on to the third, that one I watched is not actually a series, but it is a sort of a movie which is made out of the historian factors. So it is Sinoli, which was based upon a site which was discovered, which is known as the biggest burial site in India. So this particular series engrossed my attention because I am particularly interested in this sort of things, that is the historical facts and the way the things were before. So this is quite a documentary sort of series that you can say, where they show you the actual evidences found, where they mixed the real life with the cinematography as well as the graphics, and they presented the evidences in a beautiful graphical manner. So this was something which caught my attention during these lockdown times, and I tried to go on with this particular movie or a documentary. So this was a way which explained to you from the point of view of a historian, as well as what they actually found on those sites. So in case you are looking for something which can refresh your minds and which will give you more information about these things, you can surely go for this series. And yes, so these were the 3 things that I watched during this lockdown, and I took them in the increasing order of liking. So for the JL50 you can almost skip it, then for Arya you can go for it, and then it comes Sinoli, which is a good entertaining as well as educating documentary that you can go for. So for Sinoli I will give 4 stars out of 5. So this was my review on the 3 series that I watched during the lockdown. In case you liked it or you want us to work more on this concept and you want to know more about this, do mention in the comment section. This gives us quite a good encouragement, and do like the video, share it with your friends in case you want us to continue in this particular segment. So we are trying a hand on this segment. I hope you like it. So I will catch up with you in the next video. Thank you.